Here, the next one. Please turn it just like a page, okay? Start reading passage 1, passage 2, and then you turn it like this, okay? Do not pick up all the pages, okay? All at once. Just like a book, like this. Go to the next one and turn it, okay? Yeah, they're all in order, all right? Start reading. You remember where we left off? You remember what was happening? From yesterday? You don't know what's going on? What was he trying to do? Just looking at the picture, what was he trying to do? He was trying to do something. Huh? Why did he made a list? Huh?
So we know what the instructions are.
What?
So we know what to do first.
Okay, he wanted to... Okay, today is April 26, 2018, and it's 7:50. Yesterday I didn't go to the gym. I rest. Today I'm not gonna go to the gym also. I'm gonna take a walk with a friend. Lately I've been feeling a little bit unmotivated to be at the gym. I have the energy and everything, but I push myself to go. And when I'm there, I'm dragging myself to do a couple things. So I rest yesterday, and today, instead of going to the gym to do some cardio, I'm just gonna take a walk to the park with a friend of mine. And also today, my kids have half a day. So as soon as I come back from my little walk, the kids are gonna be home, do homework with them, and then I'm gonna make pizza with them. Because tomorrow, is it Wednesday or is it Thursday? Today's not Wednesday. Did I say Wednesday on the thing? Today's Thursday. Today's Thursday. I remember, I'm like, it seemed like I said Wednesday when I show you guys my phone. And then I said half a day today, and I know on Thursday they had half a day. So I had to look to see, to double check myself. So today's Thursday. So I'm gonna make pizza with them. That's what they're gonna eat for lunch and dinner, and a little bit extra for tomorrow. Usually I make pizza on Friday, but on Saturday they're gonna go to they're gonna go somewhere to a party, and I'm sure they're gonna bring back a lot of other food. When we go there's usually a lot of food. But anyway, so we will be making pizza a little bit later. I have the dough. I made the dough last week. And something happened where we didn't do it. Oh, we went to my mother-in-law for her birthday, so we had a huge dinner. That's why I didn't make the pizza. I forgot about it. On Thursday, I made the dough. For Friday, I completely forgot. The Friday, we're gonna go out to eat. So that's why I still have that dough. So, anyway. 12:18. Just got back, so I'm out of breath. Stop at the supermarket in my house. My milk is almost finished. Buy a new one. Okay, I got milk. I don't even have room. What is that? That's my seasoning. I bought octopus. I was gonna buy 2. I didn't have enough change with me. And I bought eggs. There's the eggs. And I bought 2 of those crackers that I normally eat. So yeah, that's what I got. Okay, I just show you. I just got back from outside with that little walk with my friend. So in a few minutes I'm gonna go downstairs, get the kids, and have them, once they get here, change their clothes, have them prepare the pizza, and then it's really nice outside. I'm gonna try to see if they want to go outside. It's nice outside. When it's nice, I don't even want to be in the house. So yeah, that's it for now. Come on, guys.
Today I got.
Okay, you're not. This is the plan for this afternoon. Once you get home, you guys gonna help me with the pizza. And then while the pizza's baking,
Homework.
do the homework, and then we go to the park. You guys could take your scooter to the park.
Oh.
I don't know.
I do not want to go to the
That's where I want to go.
Okay, fine.
So how was the pizza, you guys?
Okay. Good.
My bakers. You finish up. Don't hold it like that, Mark. You have to hold it upright. Yes, like that, and put it over your mouth. See, you're turning it this way. That's all your homework, Michael?
Mm-hmm.
How many pages? 2?
Yeah. That's how there can be.
Alright, let's go. This time we're gonna go a different way. The same way I went with
That lineup?
yeah, this morning. And I wanted to take some pictures because over the summer there are things. Remember I told you I'm thinking of doing taking you to do exercise and things like that?
Reading.
Exercise. I didn't say anything about reading. Yeah, the reading thing is completely different. Yes. I will try to put you in a reading program. But the exercise thing, there's a spot over there that I need.
Mommy,
Yes?
when there's a train coming, the red light starts to come.
Yes. Let's go. What are you writing? Mark, move to the... Okay. I love this walkway. Yeah, let's go a different way this time. From here, we're gonna go this way.
We're gonna turn that way.
Do you want me to... Here, give me the scooter. I'll carry it for you. When we get... It's on... I put it on the bag. Come on. Your piñata. The grass is a little bit wet from yesterday's rain. So when you're riding the thing, try not to go in the puddles, okay? Yeah. Wait. Yes, you can. But when we get to the puddles, we'll go on the grass. I'll carry the scooter for you. No, and in the summer, I think we're gonna try to come to the park early in the morning because it is so nice. The weather is perfect. When I came earlier today, very nice. You have a science project?
No, but if there actually was, I would tell you.
Yeah, when we came.
And we were rushing.
It's okay.
Sometimes that car doesn't.
Yeah, we go this way. Alright, we're gonna go all the way around. We're gonna follow this path.
Oh, I remember riding with Dad. While Mark's staying.
You guys we always here. It's not like this is a brand new park.
I said I went here.
Yeah. How did you guys like the pizza? I thought it was really good.
Yeah, it was really good. Yeah. Dang this back for some reason. Wait, so in the morning you were coming here?
Yeah, I came here.
No, man. Let's see where we're going.
No. Yeah, we used to walk with her. We do that sometimes. You guys see the bird nest? How many bird nests do you see up here? 2. There's one here and one over there. A smaller one. Over there. Over there. Yes, only on that tree.
Oh, one.
It's 2.
2.
I have water. Anybody want water? I bring those old crackers. When I find a good spot, we'll
Chow down.
no, not for us. All crackers for the birds. And there we do a lot of stuff.
I want you to sit for everything.
Yeah, I'll find a spot. Alright, there's a car coming. Let's go fast. Oh, we'll sit at the bench over there if you wanna drink water if you want. Oh, we're not gonna sit and wait until you finish. Oh, what? What about Statue of Liberty? You were talking about what? Trees without branches?
Yeah.
Look at this.
I mean trees without.
Look at the shorter trees over here. Short trees, anything?
That's why I named it.
Okay.
Big trees.
Let's go. I'm waiting for you. Let's go. Hopefully I could say that. So like in the summer, when I'll be creating a schedule. Where's Michael? Oh Lord. All right, come on, Mark. I'll talk to you then. No, because these are the spots that has the exercise things. So like I'm gonna see, it's not 100%. I was telling Mark in the summer. Sometimes I wanna come, maybe once a week or twice a week. We come. They have different little spots here.
And then we can play basketball.
Yeah, sometimes there's exercise.
Yeah, they put stuff here to do exercise.
Oh yeah, I know, like that one.
Yes.
But I'm about to do.
No, we're not gonna do anything here, okay? I just wanna see the things the way they are so I could have an idea what we can do. I'm not sure. Maybe we could use it for something else. Congratulations, you complete the Power Course Challenge. Bring your family and friends to enjoy the Power Course together. Continue to improve your physical fitness and health by using the Power Course regularly. Alright, so come on. This is a park that you're gonna find all sort of creatures, okay? It's right there moving. That's a bee and okay, let's go. Oh jeez. They may not be there next time. They're not gonna. Yeah. This is a park. Even sometimes when we sit on the bench, we see stuff, right? This is their environment. That's where they live. So we're gonna be seeing them. We just have to watch. Yeah, we just have to watch when we touch something or whatever it may be. That's right. Like when the sun is not beaming like this, it's really, really nice in the morning. Very comfortable. Just watch your hand, you know. I'm not saying there is. Alright, so there's other things you can do. I can't even see the screen, so I'm not sure if I'm taking the right picture. Yeah, let's go. Come on. This is the next one. So other things you can do. Yeah. Go ahead, feel free. You're too far. Put your shoulder, your elbow. We'll work on it, don't worry. Okay, you guys know everything. Too far. Okay, that's good. Go ahead. Exactly. You can even move now. We'll work on it, okay? Let's go. Let's go to the next one. Come on, come on. Look at the worm. You see the worm in there? There's a worm moving. You see it?
Oh yeah. Mine is dying.
Oh my goodness. Why you
Look for you one. We should get them out.
No.
I want to stay in the
It might be dinner for the birds. So let the birds find him. Let's go.
The birds come and eat that worm.
Alright, let's go. You guys are so mean. Oh, there's another one. There's another one here. Another one. See it?
I'm not mean. I said I want to help it get out.
I don't want to touch it. The water is dirty.
Did the sometimes the rain was here?
It rained yesterday. Let's go.
How do worms eat?
I don't know. They have their ways. They probably thinking, how do people eat? Okay? We go search that. That could be something you could look into.
Yeah.
They probably have their own little language.
Yeah, they have their own chemical language, like in the fire ant thing I read this morning.
Oh, I like the term you use, chemical language.
Yeah, it's
Interesting.
like chemical language on the other thing.
Okay, this is another one you could do here. I don't want you guys to be fighting, okay? Look, did you guys look at the picture? You put your feet, it's like holding your feet, okay? And then you do sit-ups.
Oh yeah, I remember doing that.
I just came to check it out.
Do it.
All right, let's go. When I have time, I'll walk right there. Come on. Go ahead, go do it. Put it on the floor. Just drop it on the floor. Use the other one, because the other one is shorter. It will hold your feet better. Under it. It's supposed to, yes. Why are you holding the side?
I'm doing it wrong.
No, he's doing it correctly. You see where his feet is?
Yeah,
And look at the picture. Oh. Yeah, good job. Yeah, this one is too big. Maybe we could do it for something else. All right. Okay, let's go.
Oh, I forgot to do
There's more. Oh, there's the other side that you. Oh, I only took pictures of one side. There's the other one. You put your feet above it. Okay. They give you an idea. Okay, I'm gonna run back there really quick to stay there. Do not move, because I need to take pictures of the other side and do that. And there's the other one. Yeah, we missed it. Let's continue. You were correct. These flags are the states. There are 50 states. You know what? We're gonna ask Michael. Let's see if he remembers when we get over there. All right, let's go. Sitting and relaxing. Who this? Little boy. Come on, let's go. Michael.
No, I just wrote. The thing I wrote now.
I'll be right there. Sit here with Mom.
I let you go because I was doing that push-up exercise or it was the sit-up.
Okay, sit here with Mark. I'll be right there.
Nope, I'm going to.
Please sit there with Mark. Because I said so. I'm just going over there. So this is the part that's stuck in my mind when I was thinking of doing exercise with them. I mean, when I ride my bike, I see the other things that I took pictures of, but this is the one that's stuck in my mind where I could bring my own band and you know, have them do you know, core exercises, oblique, cable chops and stuff like that. And this is the spot I was thinking more of for them. So I'm taking pictures just to see. I think, yeah, there's one more. The other one, I'm not too crazy. Let's see. You coming? Yeah, like this is the last one. I believe this is the last one. And it's not really that, I don't know. That's why I'm taking pictures of them to see if what I could think of for them. What the hell this is? It's so hot. couple ones. But yeah, I think there might be one more, but the kids are too far. I don't want to go further. Another time that I come out, look at it. But the majority of them, I think I got. Yep, the weather's perfect. Earlier it was a bit not chilly, but kind of windy because the sun wasn't out. But right now it's just perfect weather. Just perfect. Not too hot, not too cold. Just perfect. Let's see what this little guy is doing over there. Not him. He's drawing. Why he wants to bring his notebook of all things. Yes. Okay, we're gonna save it. Remember, recycle. So next time we come, we'll put water in it again. So you were thirsty. I did bring another one. Do you want more? Yeah, you want more? Do not put your mouth in it. I'll put. Nope. You were chewing, doing all stuff. I'll put more in the other one. The one you finished. Don't drink all, because we need to save some for Michael too. Okay?
Okay, this one. If I wanted to do a bottle from this.
Okay, why don't you put on the other side of the bag? When we're going back, we're gonna walk by the water, and then it's okay. Since you want to go by the booking train for a little while.
Yes.
All right, so
What about the park?
no, the park they're fixing it. It's not ready for you guys.
Hey, Michael! Do you want to go to the broken train?
Okay, come on. Oh Lord. All right, let me make sure I took everything. All right, let's go. Mark, don't lay too much on it. It might be kind of rusty. Let me see your clothes. You wanna do pull up? All right, we need to get going. Okay, Michael, let's go.
I'm done. Wait, I want you to lift me up on the.
Oh my God.
Me too.
You need to drop. I have to do everything.
I had to put myself up. Oh, my book.
Same way. We're going this way. We're following the path here. Oh, there's a little bird here. Mark this way. Oh, a couple birds here. Maybe I need a better camera, not my phone. Let me close the door. They're running away.
Sit up.
Oh,
And the body curl.
yes. Okay, let me see.
And the chin up. I wrote what exercise it is at Liberty State Park so I don't forget that Liberty State Park.
Hold this. I'm gonna do not stop it. Can you do it? I'll stop it. Never mind. What did you say? You said something before. Let's go. We have what? A mission to do. To complete. Use the word complete. I thought that was nice. You were using a very nice word. He's biting. Be careful. He'll catch up. Let's go. Nobody behind him.
I'm just gonna ask you a minor question.
What?
That you are gonna what
What is it? I don't know. What's 8 times 8? I know it starts with a 6.
54.
That's right. Glad you know your times table. The sound of the birds, I love it. Statue of Liberty. Oh, man. What? I know where we are. Yeah. This thing, did they just build this thing behind the Statue of Liberty? I don't remember seeing it last time we were there. had the binocular, I would have looked. Because if you go all the way around, it's a long way. We don't want to do that. Sound travel fast. He'll catch up. Where is he? Michael! Michael, get over here! Alright, come on. I don't like when he does things like that. Yes. And he didn't even tell me he's going over there. See, when you were a baby, I did that with Michael too. After I dropped Michael off to school, I'll take, when the weather's nice, if it's not too cold, I walk all around with you. You were in your stroller, just enjoying the...
Like over there, that new place over there?
No, I didn't take you over there. But over here...
Oh, over here, you can over here?
Yeah. He's still not grown up yet.
No, I'm talking about when I was a baby, I was not a baby.
Yeah. Nice.
Then once you get to 100, go all the way back to 0.
Well, sort of sounds kind of correct. Most people, the way I'm getting what you're saying is that most people, when they get to 100, they pretty much turn to a baby, like a baby. They can really do that much themselves without any help. So once they get to 100, they go back to 0. Okay. Yes?
When you get all the way to 100,
Are you gonna take care of me? Okay. Oh, look at this. Oh, okay. I thought it was something else. No, I thought it was something else, but it's just. You see the circle thing in the middle in the water?
what is that?
I don't know. It's a platform. Oh, you're not gonna see me in there. Why?
They said no stepping on the front, so I should go all the way.
You need to tell me things like that. I didn't see the sign. Yeah, but you need to call me. You should call me and let me know. But mommy wants to be active. I don't want to be like a baby. I want you to enjoy your life with your family. So if I cannot do things on my own, I might as well go. You want to go home? Yeah. So Mark wants to go by the train for a little while. We'll look at the train, but we won't stay too long. Understand? No.
Have to catch one.
You want to go get one? Leave the thing. Go ahead. Just don't go in the puddle, please. Let's make it fast because you want to go. And don't ask for more wax, okay? That's it. Oh, that was kind of far. What was that? Oh, you had one. That's it? No? Garbage. There's garbage. Alright, let's go. That small little one on the floor. Just one or two or something. That's it. And then we'll go to the train. Okay? You wanted to, oh, they're fixing? Are they fixing something? You good? Did they block it? I'm gonna find a bench to sit, and please be careful with other kids, okay? Oh.